What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO Visa Credit Card. Pag-uusapan natin yung annual fee at saka yung perks and benefits and then yung application requirements. Kasi alam mo naman si BDO Visa Credit Card ay ito yung medyo sakto lang para sa mga taong nagsisimula pa lang sa credit card at saka kumbaga affordable yung annual fee ng credit card na ito. Kaya naman i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung application requirements at the same time yung perks and benefits. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, BDO Visa. So yan yung sinasabi kong credit card na pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Uunahin ko na guys yung annual fee. Nakikita nyo, fees and charges, principal card membership fee, standard, classic. Since classic ito, 150 pesos per month siya, which is 1,800 a year. So don't worry guys kasi on the first year na in-issue sa inyo itong credit card na to is naka-waive or free yung 1 year. Halimbawa, in-approve yung application nyo ngayon. So by the next year, saka pa lang kayong matcha-charge ng annual fee which is 1,800 pesos or 150 pesos per month. So maganda guys, 150 pesos per month nyo na, huwag nyo nang ipa-convert yung annual fee into yearly, yung charges, para hindi mabigat sa bulsa. At least 150 pesos lang siya monthly, hindi siya ganun kabigat at saka affordable lang siya. Kesa naman sa isang bagsakan yung 1.8, mabigat siya sa bulsa. Pero naman kung halimbawa naman is kaya nyo naman ipa-waive kasi may spending requirement siya which is 600,000 pesos para ma-waive. So it's a good idea na i-yearly nyo yung charge kung kaya yung abutin yung 600,000 spending requirement para ma-waive yung membership fee niya per year. So yun lang, move on tayo. So as you can see guys, BDO Visa Credit Card. Visa Classic. Kasi itong credit card natin is yung BDO Visa Classic. Save while you spend, enjoy your around deals and discounts for your in-store, online, and dining spends. Kasi guys, alam nyo naman minsan, pagdating sa credit card, may mga perks and benefits talaga siya. May mga discounts, may buy now, pay later at 0% interest. Kaya naman makaka-receive kayo ng alerts or promo text message via registered mobile number or via email. Doon ipapadala ni BDO yung existing promos nila sa credit card na meron ka. Then next is yung buy now, pay later. So buy from 20,000 stores nationwide and pay later at 0% interest. Ito yung maganda dito guys bilang isang credit card holder kasi may enjoy nyo yung buy now, pay later purchase. Like bibili kayo ng cellphone, no interest yun at saka up to 24 months nyo siya pwedeng bayaran which is magaan lang yung monthly amortization niya. Pero ingat-ingat lang kayo guys kasi baka kasi mag-enjoy kayo sa kaka-buy now, pay later kapag dumami na yung naka-pending or naka-installment sa credit card ninyo, mabigat pa rin siya sa bulsa kasi kung may 5 kayong installment doon worth 2,000 per month, so magkano yun? Nasa 10K din yung babayaran nyo monthly. Kaya naman, ingat-ingat kayo guys. Earn peso rewards on your spend. Receive peso points for your everyday, everywhere purchases. Ito guys, earn peso rewards. Sinasabi dito is, kapag nakapag-purchase kayo, straight, single receipt worth 1,000 pesos, may 1 point yun, which is equivalent to 1 pesos. At least, kahit papano, pwede nyo siyang gamitin, pambayad man lang din ng credit card bill ninyo, yung na-accumulate ninyong points sa nagastos ninyo. Avoid long lines to pay your bills. Enroll your utility bills with BDO Auto Charge and have only one due date to remember. So, ang maganda dito guys is pwede nyo siyang i-enroll as auto debit arrangement, halimbawa sa tubig, sa internet, and other subscriptions, sa Netflix, ganyan. Pwede nyo gamitin to, i-enroll nyo siya auto-debit, tapos during due date, automatic siya ikakaltas para hindi nyo makalimutan yung kailangan yung bayaran ng mga dates or due dates ninyo. Then that's all for perks and benefits. Ngayon, why choose Visa Classic? Free membership, your first year's membership fee is on us. Sa tulad ng sabi ko kanina guys, is yung first year niya is naka-waive. Tapos, after 1 year, doon na kayo matcha-charge ng 150 pesos a month. Tapos, ma-waive lang siya kung makapag-spend kayo ng 600,000 pesos within 12 months. Why choose Visa Classic? Installment programs. Choose the financing options that suits your need. So, ito guys, installment programs. Tulad ng sinabi ko, yung mga buy now, pay later. Tapos, alam mo ba yung feeling na hindi ganun kabigat bayaran yung gusto mong item, halimbawa washing machine or yung mga gadgets, maaari nyo siyang mabili agad using this credit card kasi may installment program nga siya. Secure online shopping. Make online shopping secure, lighter, and more enjoyable. Kasi it comes with a height or tightened features which is security features when it comes to online platform. So, ngayon, move on tayo. Let's talk about application requirements. So, nakikita nyo dito guys, check your qualification. 21 to 60 years old for principal and at least 13 years old for supplementary card holders. So, 21 to 60 years old para sa principal. Pag sinabing principal guys, yun yung mother credit card kumbaga. Tapos yung supplementary naman, yung parang anak niya kumbaga, which is naka-assign doon is sub-limit kung magkano lang yung credit limit ng mother credit card ninyo. Hindi pwedeng lumagpas doon. Dapat mas mababa yung credit limit ng supplementary credit card. Applicant must be a Filipino citizen or a foreigner who is a resident of the Philippines. So, dapat Filipino ka or kung foreigner ka man, dapat residente ka ng Pilipinas. Minimum gross fixed monthly income requirement is 15,000 pesos. So, perfect ito guys sa mga empleyado na sumasahod ng 16 to 17,000. So, qualified kayo dito. Ngayon, syempre hindi mawawala yung proof of identification sa requirement. So, A, proof of identification for both primary and supplementary applicant. Filipino, any valid photo-bearing identification document, front and back, government-issued ID, example is Philippine Identification System or PhilSys ID, yung national ID, passport, driver's license, SSS ID, etc. Supplementary applicants who are studying may submit valid school ID instead. Proof of income. Sa employed applicants, of course, hindi mawawala yung proof of income. Employed applicants, photocopy of latest income tax return or ITR, duly stamped as received by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR, or BIR Form 2316 signed by employer's authorized representative. Mandatory. So, kapag sinabing mandatory, guys, kailangan na kailangan talaga siya. Plus, any of the following. So, meaning, isa lang dito. Latest 12 months pay slip, original certificate of employment indicating status, service tenure, and compensation breakdown if with existing credit cards, copy of the last 2 months statements of account of your credit card and that is at least 1 year on book. So kung may credit card kayo guys, hindi nyo na kailangan i-provide yung full month pay slip or yung original certificate of employment kasi may existing credit card kayo. Pero kung wala, yun yung kailangan nyo, yung latest 12 months pay slip. Isa lang naman dito na kasi nakalagay plus any of the following. Then, move on tayo sa self-employed applicants. Kapag may sarili kayong negosyo, photocopy of latest income tax return, ITR, duly stamped as received by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR, and audited financial statements for at least 2 years. Mandatory. So, kailangan na kailangan yung photocopy ng latest income tax return at saka yung AFS or yung audited financial statements. Pangalawa is yung photocopy of registration of business name, mandatory din siya, DTI registration for single proprietorship or SEC registration for partnership or corporation. So kung sole proprietorship lang, kailangan yung DTI registration. Then pangatlo is yung last 3 months bank statements optional. So I think that's all for now guys. Sana nalinaw ko sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!